Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. Today we are going to see watch on py. So in this what they have asked us to do is in a file called as watch.py implement a function called as parse that expects a string of HTML as input. This will be the input for our particular program and extracts any YouTube URL that is available in the source attribute. So inside this iframe, inside the source, if there is any YouTube URL, we need to extract this particular YouTube URL attribute of an iframe. Therein, return its shorter shareable YouTube.be equivalent as a string. If we are extracting this one, this should be changed as youtube.be and then a hyphen like this. Can you see? Hyphen and then a hash and then the same thing which is available here. So this is what we are going to do. Expect that any such URL will be one of the formats below. Assume that the values of source will automatically be surrendered with double quotes and assume that the input will contain no more than one such URL. So this input will contain only one URL, not more than that. That also we can assume. If the input does not contain any of such URLs, then we should return that. So these are all the formats which we are going to assume. Either it will be HTTP or HTTPS. Then it can be youtube.com or www.youtube.com. Then embed will be common here and then the value. So this is what we are going to do. They have already given us the structure. So we can just copy and paste the structure for our program. Okay. So inside this parse, we are going to write our program. So first, since it is regular expression, we already know we are going to use regular expressions and they have given us some hint. And yeah, we can start doing and let us just check how it works. So first we need to check if the particular URL is going to have the iframe. So what I am going to do here is first we can write if re.search. What am I going to search? I am going to search for iframe. It should be a real string, so R I am putting. Then it should be iframe. Okay, this is the pattern I am searching, and inside this iframe, I can have anything or nothing also. So any one character can be there, and there can be anything. So I am putting a star here because I'm not restricting the iframe to be only one line or one code, one particular character. Okay, this is the iframe, and we need to end the iframe also. So I have the ending tag iframe. Okay, but here, since it is a regular expression, this hash has some other value. So I will also use the escape sequence so that it will just think that it is just only hash, nothing other will be there. So if there is a regular expression like this, then we are going to find the URL for our particular program. So what am I going to search? I am going to search for the URL now. Okay. So URL is equal to re.search. So now I will search my URL. So they have given us multiple URL patterns, right? So basically it should be a real expression. Then it should be HTTPS, correct? Or HTTP. So S is optional. So I will write it within brackets. Since S is optional, I am writing it within brackets. And then there can be yes should be optional. So I am putting it as optional. And then a colon should be there. And then two hashes should be there. Both of them I need escape sequence also. So I am writing the escape sequence. After that, we can either have, see, since this yes is optional, I am putting it like yes and then a bracket, correct? The same way, www is also optional for us. www dot will be an optional thing for us. So all these things will be going inside the star. Then Compulsory we need YouTube and then .com, correct? And the dot should be again prefixed with the escape sequence at cube.com, and then I need this embed. Wait, we can check. Yeah, can you see after this embed should be coming? So we can write it like that. So here also all the hashes should be prefixed with the escape sequence. Embed should be coming, and then we now have the particular URL which we are going to write, like this particular place, correct? This particular thing. What it can be, any numbers, letters, words, uppercase, lowercase, everything can be allowed. So we are writing it inside the brackets. Inside the square brackets, it can be either capital letter A to Z or sorry, A to Z, or small letter A to Z, or 0 to 9. It can be anything here, correct? So we are just writing it like that. And then it can be more than one. It is not like only one capital letter A to Z should be there. So I am writing a plus here. I hope now you understand this particular format. And then where I am going to search, I am going to search in my parsing file. Okay. So that's it. So I think this particular URL is clear. Now, if this URL is available, what we should do? So first let us see how is this URL coming with the help of print statement so that it will be easy for us to understand the next process. Okay. So we are printing the URL, and now I will just run the program python watch.py. HTML code it is asking. Let us just copy and paste this and check what it is coming. Okay, there's an error. Unbalanced parenthesis. Okay, this is complete. This bracket is complete. Then here one bracket extra is there. Let us check. This bracket is complete. Okay, here I need to put that bracket. So why are these brackets? Like, what does this particular bracket mean? This is one set and this is one set. For our searching, we can easily extract the answer, right? Because of that only we have put those brackets. Now I guess the problem will be over. HTML. Okay, can you see? re.match object is between 15 to 24 and the match is nothing but this particular full URL. It is giving it as a match. Okay, so now let us also try to print the groups available here so that we can just use the groups for printing our answer. So the URL dot groups. Let us try to see what are all the groups available. See, as I said, this particular thing is one group and yes is the next group. Because we have put this bracket, it is showing. Then www is a group, and then the particular thing which we need, the key, is in another group. So in this tuple, the thing which we need will be in, this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. I need the third particular group alone. So I can just write of 3 to check whether now it is coming. Yeah, can you see that particular group alone is coming as answer for us? So perfect. Now what we are going to do, if this particular URL is url.search is available, if URL is available. Then what am I going to do? I am going to return, right? Return. What I will return? I will return https colon hash hash. 1 second, let us check how we need to return. So the answer should be https colon hash hash, just the whole thing, and then our groups, correct? So this one plus URL dot groups, and I need the third parameter available here. So I am returning it as. If it is not available, if this particular pattern is not available, else I will return none. Okay, I think the code is perfect now. Let us check. Okay, there is some problem here. Okay, capital letter M. Yeah, perfect. Now let us just try it with some URLs, maybe. This one, let us try. Copy. I'm running the program. Yeah, we have got the answer with the URL. Now let us do the check CS50 and see all the conditions whether it is going to turn into green smileys. Yeah, everything is green smileys. Don't forget to submit, guys. And that's it for today. And also, please subscribe if you watched till the end. Thank you.